Today I'm speaking because I'm very saddened by the lack of the county's teamwork in enforcing the laws, the consequences, and reaching out for help to victims and people in the community. I made several attempts to communicate with the people that are responsible and had very little or no feedback from the people. The reason for my frustration is I've had a personal experience with someone being arrested 8 times in 7 weeks and only to be have the charges dropped or not filed and then let out in the community again to break the law. And on the 7th time I approached the district attorney's office and tried to apprise them of the situation and the victims involved, and they said they'd take care of it, and they didn't. The next day the person was out. On the 8th time, I made another appointment with the chief prosecutor of the DA's office, and he assured me that he would take care of it. And the next day, that person was out on no charges filed and out on the street again, only to victimize someone else. So, also want to bring to your attention that I work very closely with the Solano County Sheriff's Office and the Fairfield Police Department, and those officers are extremely frustrated by the fact that they take their time to do public servancy only to find out that the person they arrested and made a crime report on is released the next day. I also have 3 other situations where someone has been arrested for a felony and bail set between $25,000 and $56,000, only to find out that 2 days later the DA did not file charges and the person was let go on a promise to appear or a diversion program. So what I'm asking is for you as a supervisors to pay close attention to this. I've also been working with the Myokra Committee, which was part of the Prop 107 and 47 initiative to work in the community to try to resolve some situations where these misdemeanor crimes are not gone
Mr. Wright,
undone.
please conclude your comments.
Thank you, Aaron. Okay, and that is my conclusion.
Thank you for the information, Mr. Wright. End of the speaker card that I have for items from the public. So, Mr. Giddens, your time is starting.
Thank you, and good morning, County Leadership. Richard Giddens from El Prado Lane. Thank you, Madam Chair. Well, there seems to be a common denominator with all these complaints I'm hearing in this morning, and you need to get back to basics. What is your foremost responsibility to us, okay? Is it to hand out a welfare check or something? No, I don't think so, folks. It's to protect our rights, okay? You are failing miserably and as such. We are not afforded equal justice nor equal protection under law out here in California. It is very much evident from the previous testimony of Mr. Wright. He complains, he gathers the evidence, and your cops, your thug cops, your idiot politicians and your ditzy DA upstairs are letting us down, okay? We try to get things corrected, and we're just giving excuse after excuse. Oh, it's a civil matter. Why don't you get a restraining order? And it rolls on for years and years and years. And, you know, we have, as of lately, we have now another situation involving the county. Okay, my understanding is out in the rural areas, there's a gun club, right? It seems to be frequented by a lot of your cops and everything, okay? And the adjoining neighbors are complaining about the horrific noise of multiple firearms going off. Okay, they have a legitimate complaint, and my advice is bring everybody in and have mediation. But no, you can't do that. What you're going to do at great expense is send deputy back out there again and again and again. We've seen this before. Remember the Lieutenant Enrique situation with Rooster fighting, and the gangsters and the DAs and the cops and all that, and the county council, yes, judge funding, yes, it went on for years, remember, at great expense. You got nothing done. Well, I have a prediction here, folks. This situation is going to happen again. You're not going to get it resolved. It's just going to drag on and on forever. as you promote this grand socialist welfare society that has to be counterbalanced by a police state with each canceling the other out and no progress getting done. If you're wise, you'll get the hell out of California, right? It makes sense to me, right? So the hell with the cops, the hell with the politicians, the hell with your government scum. We're out of here. Say what you want. I don't care. That's the word, Thunderbird. Spread the word.
Thank you, Mr. Giddens. Safe travels to you.
Hannigan?
Mr. Giddens, goodbye, sir. Okay, that concludes